Namaskar, I am Shekhar. First of all, I would like to thank you all for watching me, liking and supporting me. In this video, I will be explaining you a set of paltas which is really very useful for the beginners. In this palta, I am going to use the metronome and the speed will be 120. I am going to play 3 notes and every third note I will make a pause or extend it for 1 beat. Like this. Let's do this with the metronome. Like this, I am doing the first speed, the second speed and coming back to the first speed. Now I am going to play the 4 notes. The next will be the 4 notes. Now you have to be watching me carefully because I am going to change the fingers here. I am using my middle finger on Ma. You can ask why I was explaining you to use the index finger here usually, but here I am changing it because if I am going to play my index finger here, then I can't go to the re again. Like I have to play again re. So it will be, my position is changing like this, and then it will be confusing for the and difficult for you to extend it ahead. So I would like to ask you people to put your middle finger on Ma, so that you can easily go ahead with you're not going to lock yourself by putting your finger like this. If I'm going to use this, then I can easily go like this. I'll just show you. Like this, first speed, second speed, again coming back to the first speed. Now we will be doing the next palta, which will go till pa, till here, 5 notes. And again here I am going to pause or extend 1 beat the last note. You will be doing this kind of a paltas because you can see every time I am doing like this will make you flexible your fingers. Now we will do the 6 note palta. It will do till dha. Sa re ga ma pa dha, re ga ma pa dha ni, ga ma pa dha ni sa. that I used my this finger. You can also shift this here and do that. I'm going to do it again. As I told you in the beginning itself, there is no hard and fast rules. It is the main thing what you have to see is you are not locked anywhere. Like this, we are again doing first speed, second speed, and coming back to the first speed. So you could have understood that how I am shifting my fingers, or I am sometimes using my this fingers. So just make myself not locked anywhere, just going freely. The next palta will be till knee, 7 notes. The next palta will be the 7 notes. Here again I am going to put a pause or extend the last note for a beat. So this is all the set of paltas what we usually teach the beginners. So this will really help you to make your fingers flexible and also recognizing the notes. In this palta I am not using the metronome, and we will be using metronome in the future. I will explain how to use metronome for this particular palta. This palta goes like this. Like that, each and every time I am going ahead to the one note and coming back and resting on sa. Like that till higher octave I will go. I will just show you how it is happening. Now I'm going to do the same thing from higher sa in the descending way. This kind of a practice will always help you, this kind of a movements, and makes you more flexible. I'm going to do this a little faster. In the next video, I will teach also the advanced paltas, and I will also teach a small composition on Tat Bilaval, the Bilaval scale. I will also teach the notation process, the notation method, how to read notation so that you can see a notation and just practice on the harmonium. If you people have any queries regarding these lessons, please feel free to comment in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching.